Children's Day to you.
Happy Children's Day to you. We wish you health and happiness. Happy Children's Day to you. Happy Children's Day to you. Happy Children's Day to you. We wish you health and happiness. Happy Children's Day to you.
Good morning, my dear children. No. Today I will not welcome you to any maths or English or any language video. Rather, today I would like to welcome you and to invite you in a celebration. Celebration of joy, celebration of innocence, celebration of childhood. Today we are here to celebrate Children's Day.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with me. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with me.
A day which is made only for you. As we all know, today is Children's Day and we all wait for this day eagerly to celebrate with you because we all love you. You all are very precious for us. You are the reason why are we here today. And as you know that Children's Day, we celebrate Children's Day on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was very fond of children and he was called Chacha Ji by everyone. He was a very loving person. He used to believe in the ideology that children are the future of the nation and so they are really crucial. They are really crucial to be nurtured properly so that they can shine and with them we can shine as well. So let's not wait much to celebrate the day, and we all know that we were accustomed to a kind of world, a kind of a situation, but suddenly something happened, the pandemic arrives and the world changed for us. Now we are confined to our houses, we can't move out, we can't do many things. There are restrictions and limitations. But within this limitation and restriction, DPS Kids has never failed to celebrate any occasion together, be it virtually, but still we celebrate every single program together. So today also our teachers has prepared something to bring smile on your face. So here is our first presentation. I will not talk much and we will jump into the program, a virtual one of course. So the first piece of program today is performed by our beloved Payal ma'am. So give a round of applause for Payal ma'am and let's wait for her performance.
Hello everyone, how are you all? Children, today I am singing a song for you. Yes, the song is लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में था नाई नाई ने घोड़े की हजामत जो बनाई टकबक 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 घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में था नाई नाई ने घोड़े की हजामत जो बनाई दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा घोड़ा था घमंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी टकबक 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 घोड़ा था घमंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़े की दुम पे झुमारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. Okay, children, so this song is only for you and wish you a very very happy Children's Day to all of you. So take care yourself. Bye.
Alright, that was indeed lovely. All of these loving rhymes which we used to read in books was sounding amazing in her voice, right? Give a round of applause and thank you to Payal ma'am for this beautiful presentation. And now we will move on to another presentation which is prepared by none other than your favorite Sneha ma'am. So let's call her and let's watch her performance.
Hey my dear students, how are you all? I really hope all of you are doing great and you're also safe and happy. Yes, happiness matters a lot, at least to me, and that's why I always say to you all that be happy always. Your mental peace, your mental health is equally important. By the way, can you guess why am I here today? Well, today I am here to wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Today is Children's Day and it is yours day, totally yours. Now you are going to ask, ma'am, why do we celebrate Children's Day? What happens? Why this, that? There are lots of explanation for that why do we celebrate it, and lots of things are there. But for me, Children's Day is all about my students, all about the kids, all about you. So I want you all to be very safe and very happy. One more time, I want to wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Stay very happy, healthy, and keep doing all the badmashi, all the naughtiness, whatever you do, keep doing that, but be in control, okay? And also, we celebrate this day for you only. So it's your day. We celebrate our future. You are our future. The kids are our future. So that's why, to remember you all, to celebrate all of you, we celebrate this day. Basically, we can celebrate every day as Children's Day. We are doing that, of course, but just to make you feel little special for a particular day, that's why we make this day, that's why we celebrate this day. Okay, so now as it's your day, what should I do? I should give you some gifts, but virtually I can't give you gifts. I want to hug you all, I want to kiss your cheeks, I want to say that I love you so much, but virtually that is really difficult to do. That's why I thought, let's sing for you. Because I want you to tell you that it's a very hard time. You cannot come to the school, you cannot meet me, you cannot meet us. We are unable to meet each other. It's a very, very tough situation for all of us. But we have to keep faith that we are going to survive, that we are going to overcome everything. That's why I'm going to sing a song for you. I know I'm a very bad singer, sorry for that, but I want you to know that I am here and we shall overcome. Okay, so let's sing. And you can do one more thing. You can sing this song with me. Whenever I'm singing it, try to do it at your home. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. I really do believe in this song that we are going to overcome all the hurdles, all this hard time. We are going to overcome this together and we are going to meet very soon. Okay, so till then, take care and be happy, and one more time, Happy Children's Day. But before I leave, there is someone who wants to talk to you, who wants to wish you a very happy Children's Day on, well, let's see, let's not talk about him. Let's see who is that person. Well, I am signing off and he is going to come now. So, hello, you, come here.
Hey, my dear students, how are you? Do you remember me? Don't you remember? I am Mr. Monkey. I used to come to your classes. We used to talk in the conversation classes. I hope you all remember me. Well, I am here today because I want you to wish a very, very, very happy Children's Day. I hope you are very happy, very safe. You tell me by yourself, how are you? I can't hear you. Louder, louder. How are you? Yes, now I can hear you. Very good, very good, very good. I am also doing great, and I hope you, as you said, you are also doing great. Now I am very, very, very happy to know that happy dance, happy dance. Let me do my happy dance. Let me do my happy dance. Oh, now I'm tired. Now I want to go to my bed. I want to eat fruits. I want to be healthy like you all. So babies, happy Children's Day. I love you so much. Mwah. Flying kiss, give me one kiss. Okay, that's so sweet of you. I really hope to see you again. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye.
Wow, that was really melodious. All right. So, Payal ma'am has already done her performance for you. Sneha ma'am has also done her performance for you. What about me? Am I supposed to do something? But I'm not good at anything. I can't dance, I can't sing, but still, I will try to do something so that you can enjoy the day. Alright, now let's watch me doing a funny dance for you.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। पासा बम 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 बोले, बम चिक बोले और मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए, हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
All right, I'm so tired. The dance needed so much energy and it took away all the energy from me. Okay, now I will take some rest, and while I'm taking rest, I would like to call Anvesha ma'am to come and to show us her beautiful dance performance.
गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लागे जहाँ। आंखें दिखाए मुझे जब जिंदगी, याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की, डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह। माथा गरम है सुबह से मेरा, रखते हथेली ना माँ, तूने कुछ खाया देर से क्यों आई, कोई ना पूछे यहाँ। मुझे क्यों ऐसे पाला था माँ। तेरी नजर से मुझे देखे न जहाँ, दुनिया को तो डांटेगी ना माँ। तेरी नजर से मुझे देखे न जहाँ, दुनिया को तो डांटेगी ना माँ। मुझको शिकायत करनी है सबकी, मुझको सताते हैं माँ। अब तू छुपा ले, पास बुला ले, मन है अकेला यहाँ।
Onisha ma'am dances so well, right? Alright, so that was our very small celebration for Children's Day virtually because we can't meet. But don't worry, I hope very soon we will be meeting in school, and by next year we will celebrate the program officially on the school, and we all will enjoy a lot on that day, I promise. So that's all for today. I hope you all will shine like a star. You all will do great in life. Be safe, stay healthy, and always remember us. That's all for today. I'll see you. Bye.